In this video, we're going to show you how to fix if your iPad is frozen or not responding. So the very first tip that you can do is restart your iPad. So try restarting your iPad. To do this, simply press and hold the sleep/wake button when the iPad freezes until a red slider appears on the screen. Slide the slider to trigger the shutdown process. And if you are using an iPad that is iOS 11 plus, most modern iPad users are probably using iPad OS 11 plus. You can use a different command to shut down your device if you have at least this software on your device. So do this, go to settings in general, and then scroll down all the way down until you see shutdown. Then slide to power off your device, and then turn your iPad back on. Then enter your passcode when trying to unlock your screen. So that's the second one. And the last tip is just to reset the settings if possible. So the last tip is to reset settings if possible. Sometimes a random setting is getting in the way, so let's reset all those settings back to factory default. To do this, go to settings and then general, and then transfer or reset iPad. Select reset. Click on reset all settings. And resetting all settings also reverts all your personalized and customized features like wallpapers and accessibility settings back to factory default. And sometimes that might help. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.